everyone, today I will tell you spoon puppet. So here we want only spoon, two type of papers. One is a skin color and one is any color you have to take. This is for the dress, and one pom-pom for the hair and the eyeballs also. So let's start. So first we have to stick that pom-pom here on the upside of that. So here you have to put little bit of glue and then you stick this one here. Okay, and the second thing, you have to take the paper, colorful paper, and you have to sketch the dress. So here I'm sketching the dress. Like this, you have to draw this dress like this. And then you have to cut it. Now this is done. So then you have to take the scissor and you have to cut this, and then you have to take the big paper, skin color paper, and you have to start making the hand. So I just draw hand like this. Like this, and then you have to fold the paper and cut it to hands like this. I just fold it, I just cut it, and then I just cut this hand. Now look at this, it's done. The both is hand and that frog. So we have to stick here first. Take the glue, put it here. First I just put that hand, and then I'm using this dress. Now it's done. Then I take the eyeball and I just stick it here, and here. It's like this. Put that, and then take the black marker for the nose, and then I'm taking the red pen for the lips. If you want to decorate it more, then you can use so many thick of decorative material also. Now look at this done. Look at this, I just decorate with the color. Thank you.